Hello everyone and welcome to our video. Today we will discuss matter in our surroundings. It is a class 9 chemistry chapter 1. Today we will discuss the Eschanth page number 17 solution. I am only taking the very short answer type questions. So now let's discuss one by one. Question number 1. What are the conditions for something to be called matter? Answer. Anything that occupies some space and has mass is known as matter. Question 2. Name two processes which provide the best evidence for the motion of particles in matter. Answer. The two processes which provide the best evidence for the motion of particles in matter are: number 1 is diffusion and number 2 is Brownian motion. Question 3. Which single term is used to describe the mixing of copper sulfate and water kept in a beaker on its own? Answer. It is diffusion. Now let's forward to the next slide. Question number 4. When sugar is dissolved in water, there is no increase in the volume. Which characteristics of matter is illustrated by this observation? Answer. When sugar is dissolved in water, there is no increase in the volume. The volume remains same. It shows that the constituent particles of matter have space between them. Question number 5. Even 2 to 3 crystals of potassium permanganate can impact color to a very large volume of water. Which characteristics of particles of matter is illustrated by this observation? Answer. Each crystal of potassium permanganate must be made up of millions of small particles. This characteristics of matter shown here is matter is made up of very tiny particles. Now let's forward towards the next slide. Question number 6. When an incense stick is lighted in one corner of a room, its fragrance spread in the whole room quickly. Which characteristics of the particles of matter is illustrated by this observation? Answer. The characteristics of matter shown here is the constituent particles of matter are in continuous motion. Question number 7. A piece of chalk can be broken into small pieces by hammering, but a piece of iron cannot be broken into small pieces by hammering. Which characteristic of the matter is illustrated by this observation? Answer. The characteristics of matter on here is the particles of matter attract each other. So, in case of chalk not being attractive towards its particles, since it has low attraction force, it simply breaks into pieces. But on the other hand, the iron is being attractive towards its particles since it has much attraction force and hence it doesn't break easily. Now let's forward toward the next slide. Question number 8. What is the scientific name of particles which make up matter? Answer. The scientific name of particles which make up matter are atoms or molecules. Question 9. Name the process by which a drop of ink spreads in a beaker of water. Answer. Diffusion. Question number 10. What is the general name of A. Rigid form of matter? Answer. Solid. B. Fluid form of matter. Answer. Liquid or gas. Now let's forward toward the next slide. Question number 11. Out of solids, liquids and gases, which one has maximum movement of particles? Answer. Gases. Maximum interparticle attractions? Answer. Solid. Minimum space between particles? Answer. Solid. Question number 12. A substance has a definite volume but no definite shape. State whether this substance is a solid, a liquid or a gas. Answer. A liquid is a substance that has a definite volume but no definite shape. So now let's move forward to question number 13. Name the physical state of matter which can be easily compressed. Answer is gas. Question 14. A substance has a definite shape as well as a definite volume. Which physical state is represented by this statement? Answer solid. Question 15. A substance has neither a fixed shape nor a fixed volume. State whether it is a solid, a liquid, or a gas. Answer: it is a gas. Question number 16. Name two gases which are supplied in compressed form in hospitals and homes. Most of in homes it is used the LPG gas, liquefied petroleum gas, and CNG is used in the hospitals, compressed natural gas. Now let's forward toward the next slide. Question number 17. Write the full forms of the following. A. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. B. CNG, compressed natural gas. Question number 18. Which of the two diffuses faster, a liquid or a gas? Answer: gas. Question number 19. Which of the two diffuses slower, bromine vapor into air or copper sulfate into water? Answer: diffusion of copper sulfate into water is at slower rate compared to diffusion of bromine vapor into air. Rate of diffusion is higher in gases than in solids. So, here copper sulfate crystals are solids which diffuse in water very slowly as compared to bromine water into air. Now move forward towards the question number 20. State whether the following statement is true or false. Answer: false. Question number 21. A bottle of perfume was opened in a room. The smell of its vapors spread in the entire room. Name the property of gases which is responsible for this behavior of perfume vapors. Answer: a bottle of perfume was opened in a room. The smell of its vapor spread in the entire room. It is due to the diffusion of perfume vapors into air. The property of gas used here is diffusion of gas. Question number 22. If the fish is being fried in a neighboring home, we can smell it sitting in our own home. Name the process which brings the smell to us. Answer: if the fish is being fried in a neighbor house, we can smell it sitting in our own home. The process which brings the smell to us is diffusion. Now let's forward to question number 24. Name one property of liquids and gas which tells us that their molecules are moving continuously. Answer: the property of liquids and gases which tells us that their molecules are moving continuously is diffusion. Question number 25. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. Question number A. The best evidence that the particles of matter are constantly moving comes from the studies of diffusion and Brownian motion. Question number B. The smell of perfume gradually spreads across a room due to diffusion of gas. Question number C. Solids, liquids, and gases are the three states of matter. Question number D. At room temperature, the forces of attraction between the particles of solid substance are much more than those which exist in the gaseous state. Question number E. The arrangement of particles is less ordered in the liquid state. However, there is no order in the gaseous state. So, this was about my whole video. If you like this video, then like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you like this video and want to watch more video like this, then like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Square Studies. Thank you.